everybody, and welcome to Thursday, November 4th. For today, we have Quill. We are also doing some lottery foreshadowing as a group activity that I'm having you guys work on. And then today is going to be a study hall day. I need you guys to have some time to go ahead and work on any missing classwork or homework for my class or other classes, so I did give you a little bit of time in class today. Again, for homework, you have vocabulary foreshadowing. We did that on Monday if you are not done. And then our lottery foreshadowing response. What I had you guys do for today's activity in groups, I've had you guys make a pile of strips that contribute to the mood and foreshadow the negative ending of the story, and a pile of the ones that do not. So, piles of strips that show foreshadowing and others that don't. For the ones that do show foreshadowing, I had you guys to discuss why and how they're examples of foreshadowing with your group, and then I had you guys collectively write and show me how one of these quotes actively shows foreshadowing in the story for the negative events that are about to happen. So that was our main group activity. We did that for about the first half hour. For the latter half of class, I had study hall time. You were allowed to work on any missing assignments for my class or other classes. If you have finished, you may draw, read, or put your head down. Reading was the big ones. You may not have out your phones or be playing any games, okay? Our exit ticket, if you were to put a character on trial for being guilty for participating in the lottery, who would it be? So I had you guys work on that. Alright, you guys, this is all of Thursday, November 4th. That's all we did in class. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me before or after school, and I'll help you guys out. Other than that, I will see you guys in class. Bye!